Hey, what's up? Welcome to my home. I am super excited to give you the VIP tour. We've actually lived here for a little bit over a year, but it still feels super brand new, especially to me because being a New Yorker, I've only lived in apartments and this is my first house. So I can't wait for you to see it. Come on. So, this is the main floor of the house, and I just remember the first time walking in and falling madly in love with all of the chandeliers. I had just gotten married in Paris, and it felt very Parisian. So I'd say that the style of the house is Parisian chic, and we actually call it Chateau Houghton. This is our formal living room. I actually love this particular spot because during the winter time, I love to cozy up by the fire and actually read a book. I might have something on TV going. Yes, I can watch TV and read a book at the same time. Thank you very much. We wanted it to feel almost like a hotel, like when you walk in and you're like, oh my gosh, it looks so posh. So that was what we were going for. Oh, this is a fun story. Come check this out. This is one of the things that I absolutely love that came with us from our other home. And crazy cool thing to do. High-end coffee table books can literally cost you up to $300 and something, like this one was, but I didn't want to pay that. So you actually can find them secondhand and slightly damaged. Maybe they're missing the paperback cover, and you can get it for like 20 bucks. Boom. We decided to let everybody in our family and the loved ones that come over sign it with a marker, and now it's super cool. So I love it. This is super special to me. This is actually a piano that I got for Israel for his birthday. It was the perfect place for his Grammys, not gonna front. Like when I first got to hold him, I was like, oh my God, my dreams are coming true. And the Bible says that we became one, so I'm like, oh, I am a 6-time Grammy Award winner. And I just love holding them, and when my friends come over, they're always like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. But I love the moments that we share at this piano. During the holidays, we actually have Thanksgiving here, and anytime somebody comes over, somehow at some point in the night, Israel gets on the piano and we all end up singing, and I love the memories that we make here. One of my other favorite parts of the house is the bar. I think that we love to entertain people. People are always over our house, and we actually built this collection here, not because we're drinking all the time, but because we actually have our friends bring whatever their favorite bottle is over, and we keep it here for them so that every time they come, they're not like, where's my drink at? You don't have my drink. We're like, no girl, we got it right here for you. Boom. So I love when I look at this. It not only makes me think of having a good time and partying, but it actually reminds me of my friends and family that I love. So I know whose bottle's whose. This is the formal dining room, and we always have candles going in this room. I think they really create a beautiful ambiance. Candle obsessed, and I'm also flower obsessed, as you can see. But guess what? These aren't real. So originally we actually used to get weekly deliveries, which got super expensive, but we also used to come home from traveling and the house would reek of rotten flowers, and my husband hated that. So actually a florist gave us the suggestion of getting faux floral arrangements just like the ones we got that were real, and now we only get real ones for special occasions like a dinner party. So you wanna see where the food comes from? Come check out the kitchen. I grew up in the projects, so when I walked into this kitchen, I was like, what the heck? Like, by the way, I didn't even know where the refrigerator was because you can't tell that it's a fridge. And I was like, what? This is so cool. How crazy is this? Freezer. Insane, right? So, not gonna lie, this is definitely where everyone really hangs out in the house. We have all this other area, formal living room, dining, and everybody literally will gather around this island and just hang out here every time we have a get together. I literally have to kick people out. I'm like, go to the other parts, I cleaned up the house. I am a huge fan of personalizing things, so one of my favorite places is Things Remembered. Not only do they personalize everything, but they're actually inexpensive. When I throw dinner parties with my girlfriends, they actually have their own wine glasses. And this is Julissa, Luba's, Mirtha, Drea, so all the girls have their names on their own wine glasses. A super cool personal touch that's inexpensive. Cheers! This is the family room, and it is directly across from the kitchen, so once you eat, you definitely wanna chill, lay back, relax, and that's exactly what I do. And this is the crazy thing. I'm obsessed with this sofa because it's so deep that literally it takes up my whole body, and every single one of my friends that hangs out here ends up falling asleep on this sofa. Even though the sofa is super luxe, we love mixing high and low. So guess what? Our throw pillows are from Home Goods. I love Home Goods. There's so many amazing finds. And I think it kind of completes the whole look. So that was the main floor. Now it's time to head upstairs. Welcome to my bedroom. I love this room so much, obviously. This is like my safe haven. I love that it has a fireplace in it. It has a bar. I love that it actually has a sitting area in it, something I've never had before. It's just a cozy space. I love to cuddle up with my husband. We watch movies in here. There's surround sound. Another awesome thing is that there's actually another bedroom that is connected to our bedroom. And I love it because it's a perfect guest bedroom for now, and at some point, it'll make the perfect nursery. Also on this floor are the big kids' bedrooms. Sonny's bedroom is a music theme, which I thought was super cool. We actually made the room a bit darker, a little bit more manlier. I love that it's definitely got a musician's vibe. He's an incredible producer. He's 16 years old, so Israel actually decided to hang all of his collectible guitars. Lily's room is completely different. She wanted an all-white room, and then we added a touch of Tiffany blue, and she is a total girly girl. And I'm not gonna lie, I do my makeup in her room a lot of the time too, because she's got the great glam mirror set up in there. They're really lucky kids, okay? I didn't have a bedroom like that growing up. Another really special part of the house is the recording studio. It's actually where I recorded my Christmas album, and Israel's currently recording his new album there as well. So we spent a lot of time in the recording studio. Now for the best part of my bedroom, I have to say, is this balcony. I absolutely love the view. I love looking up at the pergola that my husband had made for me. It was a complete surprise. I didn't even know about it. I was like, oh my God, this is so cool. There's chandeliers in there, and we have dinner parties outside that are beyond beautiful with our family. Another cool thing is when there's parties going on, you know, this is like my personal VIP section. I stand up here on top and I'm like, yes! DJ's going, I wave down to the people like I'm Evita. It's just awesome to see the people you love in your home having a good time, and I have the best bird's eye view from up here. And here we are in the master bathroom. This is my bathroom, you guys. This is where all the beauty happens, where I get ready. This is where I take my baths. Everybody knows I love a great bathtub, and this one is like my dream come true. It's got incredible jets. It actually has lights that comes on in it. At first, when we saw the bathroom, we were like, oh my gosh, it's all glass. That's kind of weird, but then we got used to it, and it's so beautiful. Love my steam shower. There's a bench in there. I do all my little spa things. It's literally having a spa at home. Two of my favorite parts of the master bathroom is one, my vanity section where I actually sit down and do my makeup. Love that. I also love the balcony that's off of the bathroom. Israel and I sit out there, we have our morning coffee, make our little calls while we overlook the back. The other part of the master bathroom is actually this door over here, which is the closet that Israel and I share. Trust me, you do not want to go in there right now, but we're actually going to do an overhaul of how to share your closet with your spouse and kind of redo it, so you'll get to see a lot more of it then. That's my house, you guys. I love, love, love that I got a chance to share it with you with this little VIP tour. If you have questions or comments, make sure that you comment below. I want to hear from you. I want to hear your questions. And if you want to continue to follow along for the journey, make sure that you subscribe. Until next time.